this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Duolingo Super subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your Duolingo app. Make sure you have already logged in. Now here at the bottom, you're going to find the refund option. Click on three dots. Now navigate to the option profile. Then click on the gear icon given at the top right. Here you're going to find this section of subscription. Under this, you're going to find your Super Duolingo subscription. This section will only appear if you currently have an active subscription. If you don't see it, make sure you are logged into the correct account. Once you locate the Super subscription section, tap on it and then select the option to cancel your subscription. After that, you will be asked to confirm your choice, so simply tap confirm to proceed. Your Super Duolingo subscription will then be successfully cancelled and you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. And that's it. This is how you can easily cancel a Super Duolingo subscription. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.